Good morning. Welcome in English Bal Bharti class 5. Start with this beautiful morning. We welcome with our new chapter from English Bal Bharti class 5. Chapter number 14, A Lesson for All. So, this lesson also taught us a important lesson. Let we understood what the lesson will be going to taught all of us. See the characters from this interesting story is that a newspaper boy, milkman, hawker, school bus driver, Dr. Sawant, Mrs. Patel, Mr. Desai, Mayor of the town, Mrs. Joshi, Nidhi and Madhu. Now here some animals also in this interesting story. See which are they? Rabbit, deer, peacock, squirrel, bear, birds and tortoise. See all these characters taught us a very important lesson by a chapter, a lesson for all. Let's read the lesson first one. A city street early in the morning. The street is littered with plastic bags, cartons, tins, cans, broken glass, old tires, waste paper balls, bags, and other garbage. Now enter Mr. Desai. Mr. Desai, looking out into the distance, why hasn't the newspaper been delivered on time today? It's 9 o'clock, almost time to leave for my office. Looks out again. Let me ask the Patels if they have received their copy. Goes into wings and return with Mrs. Patel. Mrs. Patel, no, Mr. Desai, the newspaper boy hasn't delivered the papers as yet, nor has our milkman turned up. Mr. Patel is so grumpy. He is waiting for his morning cup of tea. Mr. Desai, very strange. And look, the state the street is simply shocking. Mrs. Patel, my word, what's this? Where did all this litter and garbage came from? See, now the incident will be happen in the morning time on the city street. The city street with full of litter. All over the street garbage spread like as a plastic bags, cartons, tin, cans, broken glasses, old tire, waste paper balls, then bags and other garbage spread on the city street early in the morning. Now here Mr. Desai entered. What the Mr. Desai said? In the morning, Mr. Desai looking or waiting for the morning newspaper because today newspaper not been delivered on its proper time. Now it is 9 o'clock and Mr. Desai have to go to office also. Now he went in the Patel, who is Patel's? His neighbors for inquiry about if they have got a newspaper today, and he returned with Mrs. Patel. Now Mrs. Patel also said that Mr. Patel, Mrs. Patel says that they also don't get newspaper today and also they don't get milk from our milkman. That's why Mr. Patel is very angry because he is waiting for his morning cup of tea. But we don't have milk for the making a tea. It means Mr. Patel annoyed and he is angry because milkman not come till 8. Mr. Desai. It's very strange. And look at the city street. Look at the street. What is the condition of the city street? It is very shocking. Mrs. Patel. Oh my God, what is this? Now, Mrs. Patel also shocking to see the condition of city street. All this garbage. Now, she had a question that where did all the garbage came from? Who will throw all this litter on the street? Now, look at the next one. Here enter Mrs. Joshi with her daughters. Mr. Desai. I returned rather late from the office last night and the street was bare then. How did all this rubbish gather here overnight? Suddenly Madhu falls and injure her foot gives out a cry of pain. Madhu. Oh, ouch! My foot, it hurts. Mrs. Joshi. Oh dear Madhu, are you alright? Oh no, her foot is bleeding so much. Somebody help please. Mrs. Patel. Nidhi, run and fetch Dr. Mrs. Sawant. Request her to come quickly. Your sister has out herself on a broken glass bottle. Mr. Desai. I will get some ice off once. Mrs. Joshi. Almost in tears. My poor child, how did all this broken glass happen to be here? Mrs. Patel. Look around. It's not just a broken glass, but now Mrs. Joshi. Dear me, what nonsense this is! Unbelievable. Where has all this rubbish came from? See now here Mrs. Joshi enter with his daughters. The daughter name is Nidhi and Madhu. Mr. Desai told that when he returned yesterday from the office, that time there was no garbage and litter on the road. And here suddenly Madhu, who is daughter of Mrs. Joshi, she suddenly fall down, she injure her foot and she started crying also. When she get hurt, that time she started crying. Madhu, what Madhu's reply that, oh ouch, when we have to fall down, that time suddenly the words come from our mouth. So same like this way, Madhu said that, oh ouch, my foot, it hurts. Mrs. Joshi, her mother shouted and she asked about Madhu is well or not. Then she came to know Madhu's foot is bleeding and she wanted to help to someone. She wanted help from someone. Mrs. Patel and Mrs. Patel asked to her sister Nidhi. What? Nidhi to call the doctor Mrs. Sawant and request her to come fast to check your sister Madhu. She will get injured by a broken glass of water. So you have to call the Mrs. Sawant, who is the doctor, come fast and they have to check the Madhu's foot. Mr. Desai. Now Mr. Desai went to brought ice. That time when Madhu get hurt, that time Mr. Desai also went and he bring ice for Madhu. Mrs. Joshi. Her here Mrs. Joshi very nervous because her child Madhu get injured by the broken glass, and Mrs. Joshi is very nervous. She thought, how did all this happen with broken glass spread over here? How this happen all this? How happen all this, and who spread all these broken glasses over here? Mrs. Patel. Mrs. Patel told to all of them to look around all sides. It's not only there just a broken glass, but also here a plastic bags, cartons, tins, broken glasses, waste paper balls, bags and other garbage also spread here on the city road. Now Mrs. Joshi said that it's unbelievable. We can't believe all this happening with the city street. Where has all this rubbish or garbage came from? They also have the question. Yesterday night the road is very clean, and what happened at the night? All the garbage and litter came here. So let's move forward a next passage. Dr. Sawant entered with Nidhi. She had a doctor's kit. Dr. Sawant, let me see the wound. Mr. Desai, here is some ice to stop the bleeding. Dr. Sawant, what a presence of mind. Good. Applies ice on the wound. There now, it has stopped bleeding. It's a deep cut. I will trace the wound and she will be fine. Mrs. Joshi, thank you, doctor. So kind of you to come at once. But I am going to complain to the mayor. Have you seen the rubbish and the litter on the road? Dr. Sawant, oh, it's a mystery. All this garbage was not there yesterday. And now, just look, enters newspaper boy, milkman, hawker, all that. Mrs. Patel, the man must have seen. Look, the newspaper boy. He is limping, and the milkman at last. To the milkman, why were your bicycle and why are you so late? Milkman, the tire were punctured. I had to come walking all the way with this heavy milk cane. Now, when they talking about the city street, how the litter and garbage came here. That time, here Dr. Sawant come with Nidhi. Dr. Sawant, where is Madhu? Let me see his injury first one. Let me see his wound. Mr. Desai said also brought ice to stop bleeding. When Madhu get injured, that time Mr. Desai went to bring the ice for stop the bleeding. So here here Dr. Sawant appreciate the Mr. Desai that he has brought ice to stop bleeding. It is very deeply cut, and then she dress up the wound, and now she will be fine in a few hours. Here Mrs. Joshi said thank you to the doctor that she will very kind to come at a proper time to see the Madhu. But now she will going to complain to the mayor. Mayor means what? Her head of the town or a municipal corporation. About this all the rubbish and garbage here whatever spread on the city street. Now Mrs. Joshi going to complain to the mayor, who is the head of the town, and ask him about the garbage spread all over the city street. Mrs. Patel said, but the mayor not seen all these. And then she shows that the newspaper boy limping means what? Walking with the difficulty because of garbage and the litter spread all over on the road. So newspaper boy have to face the difficulty to walk on the road. Now in the back of the newspaper boy there is also milkman came, and now Mr. Desai inquire about milkman, where is your bicycle and why are you so late today? Milkman replied that his bicycle tire were punctured, so he had come by walking with his heavy milk can, with his heavy milk bottles. And why too he is late for the milk? And he said that he is came by walking because his bicycle tire were punctured, so he have to come along with his heavy milk can. Now see the next one. Newspaper boy, and I tripped over an old tire and sprang my foot. It was quite dark early this morning. I did not accept an old tire right in the middle of the road. Mr. Desai, I see something must be done. Bus driver enters carefully, avoiding the litter. Bus driver, Mrs. Joshi, I'm sorry, I can't drive the school bus today. On every road and street there is nothing but litter. It's look like an obstacle race course. Mrs. Joshi, I know I'm going to send for the mayor and at once. He must see this. Our children are not safe with all these dangerous broken objects around. Hawker, no one is safe. Let's request to mayor to come and see for himself. Mr. Desai, I will fetch him. Exit. Enters again with the mayor and his routine. Mayor, annoyed, unbelievable, shocking. How do you accept people to walk through all this rubbish? Why don't you all dispose of the garbage properly? Now here, now here, newspaper boy also have to face so many difficulty to come by the street. Trip means to catch one's foot on something and stumble or fall. Now here newspaper boy also face a very difficulty to walk or to come along with the street. Sprain means his ankle is paining to move the bicycle on the road. Now we all have to do something for it. Mr. Desai replied that, and that time the bus driver enters carefully by avoiding the litter. So, next, bus driver requested to the Mrs. Joshi, he cannot drive the school bus today because and each and every road everywhere the only litter and garbage, and it is difficult to drive the bus on this dangerous road. The bus driver also replied that She couldn't drive bus today only. Mrs. Joshi also agreed with the bus driver and she told him she also sent the complaint to the mayor. We and also our children were not safe with all these dangerous and broken object which is spread on the road. It is harmful to all of us. Hawker said that no one has to request. Hawker said that no one is safe and we have to request to the mayor and come with us and see what will happen on that. Mr. Desai, I will go. Mr. Desai replied that I will go and come along with the mayor. Then after some time, he, Mr. Desai, come along with the mayor. Now here, mayor, who is the head of the city or town. Here, now mayor seeing all this condition of city street, mayor is so angry and said it is very difficult to walk on the street with the people. And why don't you all dispose? Why you don't all throw the garbage and litter proper way? It means you should throw all the litter and garbage in the proper way. Why you throw it on the road? Now here all they are talking about litter and garbage who have spread on the road. But here mayor said that all you people spread all this litter and garbage on the road. Let's see what happened in the next passage. Mrs. Patel, but we do, Mr. Mayor, we give our garbage to the garbage collector. Mrs. Joshi, yes, we don't litter our street like this. Mr. Desai, or we take it the dumping ground near the riverside away from here. The rains then wash it away. Mrs. Patel, or the winds blow it away. Mayor, then how did it come back into the town overnight? Bus driver, that's the problem. Nobody knows how it got here. It's a mystery. Newspaper boy, it looks like someone has done it purposely to spoil our town. Mrs. Joshi, and endanger our children. Milkman, and hinder our daily work. Mayor, we will not tolerate this. I must look into this. I will not separate anyone who has done this, who is responsible for this mess. Now here enter animals who have been hiding: deer, rabbit, bird, squirrel, bear, all animals. Each one comes out from the cover turn by turn, saying, now what happened here? See, all they are talking about that who will spread all this rubbish and garbage on the road. So they are talking about the undirty or injustice of the road. Now here Mrs. Patel said to the mayor, but we all give our garbage to the garbage collector who come early in the morning and collect all the garbage. She, Mrs. Joshi, also agree with Mrs. Patel that they all give the garbage to the garbage collector and they don't litter our street like this way. Mr. Desai also said that otherwise we take our garbage to the dumping ground. Dumping ground means what? A place where rubbish or unwanted material is left. So we take garbage to the dumping ground near riverside. It's far away from here. It means it's far away from our place or our society. When it will rain, then all the litter wash away it away by the rain water. And Mrs. Patel said that otherwise it will winds blow it away. Then Mayor said that. So Mayor thought about that if they are give the garbage in a proper way, then if you all are throw garbage in the proper way, then how did it came at the night and no one knows about it, said the bus driver. We don't know how this all this garbage came here at the night only. Yesterday night there is no garbage, no litter spread on the road, but what happened at the last night? And here the see the condition, it is very dangerous to see all of this garbage spread every part of the road. Now newspaper boy also said that it looked like the someone has done to destroy our city, someone have to spoil our town. And Mrs. Joshi said that who have done this all at the night, it is very dangerous to all of us, not only us, for our children also, they have to also face the harmful thing whatever it will be done by the this garbage. Milkman said that they wanted to disturb our daily routine. We will spread all this rubbish and garbage on the city street. They have to disturb, they want to disturb our daily work, daily routine. That's why they spread all the rubbish and garbage all over here. Now, Mayor said that will not neglect all this. It means we have to do something for it, and he will going to inquire about it. Who has done all this and who is responsible for this? Now here when the mayor said that he has to inquire about it and who is responsible, who will do all this thing, who will spread all this garbage, litter, rubbish on the city street. And now coincidentally there all the animals listening and hearing what the human being talking about it, and one by one they enter in front of them, like as a deer, rabbit, birds, squirrel, bear. Each animal come out when it's turn to speak in front of human being. Next. Animals, we are responsible. We have brought in all the litter. We have sprayed the garbage all over the town, dear. Yes, we confess we do so, Mayor. What? You? How dare you? Mrs. Joshi. What right do you have to spoil our town and make it unsafe to move around? Bear, come forward. We have only brought back to you what belongs to you. Tell me, what right do you have to dump all this in the forest? The forest is our dwelling place. But our trees are dying and vanishing because of you. Where can we roast our bull nest? Squirrel. And where can we live? Rabbit. You are worried about Madhu being injured because of sharp broken glass. Don't our young ones get injured too, dear? Yes, and we have no doctor to dress their wounds. Our young ones simply die. Madhu Nidhi. Oh no! How shocking! Terrible! Now hear what happened when mayor, milkman, hawker, bus driver, Mr. Desai, Mrs. Patel, all they are talking about who is responsible to spread all the garbage on the city street. That time the animals enter one by one in front of humans. Now here, animals, all animals said we are responsible for it. We have brought in all the garbage. All have sprayed garbage at the last night yesterday all over the town. Now here, deer also agree with the all animals. They confess, they agree that they sprayed all the garbage all over in the city street. They all do all this at the last night. Now here all the human beings are talking about it. Mayor also angry. Now by hearing all this, Mayor is very angry and asked them, how dare you? How are you? Why you spread all this garbage on the city street? Mrs. Joshi said that you all don't have right to destroy or spoil our town like this way by spreading litter and garbage all over the city street. Then Bear come in front of them and said that we not done anything wrong with you. We just brought back what you uh, sent in the forest to us, and you all threw the garbage into the forest. Then you will write for it. If you are spreading all the garbage into the forest, it will be right. Then what we have to do? Only that garbage we pick up and we belongs to you. We give to you your garbage again. So you all are forget that one thing, the forest is our dwelling place. It means you forget that the forest is our house, our home, and you have to right to spoil or destroy our house? No. If you are spreading all the garbage into the forest, then we also do it in the same way. So, what you have to like this? Now, the birds, because of you, the birds say that because of you, our trees are destroying, they are dying, they are vanishing. And if when you cut all the trees where we have to build our nest, you are cut all the trees in the forest and you destroy our houses where we have to build our nest and where we have to live, said the squirrel also. Rabbit. Rabbit also come in front of them and said, you all are worried when Madhu get injured because of broken glass spread on the street. But you don't think about our babies. They also injured from the garbage that you all throw into the forest. Now rabbit said a very important thing over here. He said that if Madhu get injured, that time you are so worried, you are very careful and thinking about her, but you don't think about our young ones. They also get injured that by your garbage, whatever you have to throw into the forest. Dear, yes, your child became injured, you will call the doctor. But in the forest, we don't have doctors to dress their wounds, and it is very painful to all of us. It means, dear said that if human being get injured, so to care or to treat your injury, you have to go to the doctor. But into the forest, there is no doctor for animals and birds, and because of throwing garbage, our young ones have simply died. They have to face the death directly. So, this is a very, very difficult and dangerous situations of animals. They say to the human beings. Now, by hearing all this, Madhu and Nidhi said that it is very shocking and dangerous thing that will be happen with the animals. Now, see the next. Tortoise. All the fish in the rivers and lakes die because of the waste dumped in water. How we suffer because of the chemical and poisons? Beer. And so many animals who drink the polluted water fall ill and die. Dr. Sawant. Yes, it is unfortunately true. Peacock. So we called a meeting and decided to return all your dangerous stuff back to you. We don't need it. Bear. Anyway, we were not as cruel as you are. We have only returned the garbage. We have not poured chemicals and poisons onto your settlements. Mayor, I see. You animals and birds do not do. You have a point. You are right, Mr. Desai. You have opened our eyes. We should not dump rubbish in the forest or rivers or lakes. Mrs. Patel. But where can we dispose of it? Now here they have thinking about that. Yes, animals are saying very true. When the animals talking about their problems they have to face into the forest, really it is very dangerous that we always thought about human being. We don't think about the animals and birds, how we will destroy their life. Now, tortoise also come in front of all. In the river, you all throw the litter and garbage. It dump in the water, and all the fish who have lived into the river and lakes were die by poisons and chemicals. Bear also said that about animals also when the animals drink the polluted water, dirty water, they also ill and they will die. Now here they also will die. It means by the polluted water, fish also have to die, and also the animals same condition. Dr. Sawant agree with the animals and birds. What they were talking about all being happen with them. Now here Peacock also said that many times we face the same situation, and then finally we call meeting. It means peacock said that many times we have to face same the situation, and then finally we call the meeting, and we will decide that to return your all dangerous garbage which is harmful to all of us. It will return to you again here in your settlements. We do not need it. We don't want your litter and garbage in our house, in our forest. So that's why we return your garbage at the last night. Bear. But we are not unkind like you. It means we are not cruel. Cruel means unkind. So, we are not unkind like a human being. Here, we only return your garbage to you, not your poisons and chemicals to onto your settlement. It means Bear said that we will return your garbage only. We will not give you any kind of chemicals and poison. Mayor also agree with the animals and birds what they are being facing about all this. Mr. Desai feel guilty and said that you all open our eyes. Now from today we are not dump any rubbish, garbage in the forest and riverside and lake also. It is harmful to our animals and birds. Here the human being realize that they are harmful, they are spreading the garbage into the forest, and it is very harmful to the animals and birds, and they also agree for it. But here Mrs. Patel has a question that if we don't dump rubbish in the forest nor into the riverside or lakes, so where we have to dispose, where we have to throw all this garbage? Now see the next. Mayor, if you all agree to sort out the litter, I will arrange for it to be collected separately. Then some of it can go for processing and some for recycling. Mrs. Joshi, good idea. Let's do just that. Mayor, let us save our Mother Earth from further harm to the animals. Thank you, dear animals, for teaching us a lesson so effectively. We assure you we will not pollute or spoil your homes. I shall even warn those who go there for picnics. Some animals. Thank you, Mr. Mayor, thank you. And they will return. Mayor, self help is the best help. Let's clear this up. All, including Mayor, start picking up the litter. Now, curtain is down. Now, here Mayor said that nothing is impossible. If you are agree, we can separate all the rubbish and litter in the proper way. Then it can go for processing and some are for recycling. Recycling means we can use it again by the given a proper procedure. Now Mrs. Joshi also agree with the mayor. It is very good idea. Let's we all have to do it. Mayor. Nature is a very precious and beautiful gift we have given from the God. So we have to do and we have to save our earth to keep clean and tidy. Mayor is thankful for animals because animals teach us a very important and effective lesson to the human beings and gave a promise to the animals. Now here Mayor give a promise to the animals that they will not pollute or spoil anything whatever given by the God. It means they are not spoil the animal homes, rivers and forest also. And he want to them though who will go for picnic into the forest or riverside. It means they follow the cleanliness and they follow all rules which is not harmful for our animals and birds, also for our earth. Now animals said that thank you Mayor and they will return back. Mayor. Today we know that self help is the best help. We should always keep our house as well as our surroundings keep we have to keep it clean and tidy. Also we have to clean our city, our country, and if our earth will get polluted, then approximately we fall ill and we have to face so many problems and difficulties. So here the animals teach a very important lesson to all human beings that if they are keep clean their house, so they don't have to ride to spoil or destroy others homes and houses. They have also clean others houses. They have to keep their garbage in the proper way and throw it in the proper way, right? Now see here, in a days we have to face coronavirus. Here no vaccine available for this disease. We have to face so many problems during these days. Only we have to follow the cleanliness and maintain our body healthy and fit. Those who will always take a bath, then wash hands regularly before meals, after the meals, clean the nails, then clean the houses, clean your surroundings also. They all are always healthy and fit. So today from this lesson we understood the very important lesson to take care of you and yourself, also your family. You have to always be a clean and tidy about your home, about your surroundings, your city and as well as your country. You have to follow the cleanliness everywhere, and that's why you have to be healthy and fit. Now take care of you and your family also. Have a good day. We will meet in the next lecture. Thank you.